How to add a location to TikTok videos. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you if it's possible or not to add location in your TikTok videos. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that your app is updated. Head over to Play Store and at the top search bar, type in TikTok. Once you see update sign here, tap on update. If not, you're good to go. Now open up your settings application. Here, scroll below to apps and search for TikTok. Tap onto it and tap on permissions. Also make sure that you have given permission for your location. If not, tap onto location and tap on allow. Now once you do so, open up your app, get logged into your account, and let's post a video. In case you don't see any location option here like mine, just know that your country is not eligible to add location for your TikTok videos. The only option is that waiting for the feature to be available to your country. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.